Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a snake. Let's start off by drawing a wide horizontal curve like so, followed by a line that goes up, curves to the left, rounds all the way up here, with a slight dip for the head shape, and then curve back to the left like so. Then, copy the left side underneath to finish off the neck. From here, draw a long line going to the left, rounding to the right, then rounding back up to the other side. Then, do that one more time underneath, but a little bit wider. To finish off the snake outline, draw a tail going up with a gentle S shape, a tight curve back, and another gentle S shape going down like this. On the head, draw 2 dots for the eyes, and 2 short vertical lines at the front for the nostrils. And finally, a long Y shape like so for the tongue. To add some more detail, draw a thin line going down the neck like so. Some more thin lines along the bottom of the coils below, and one across the tail as well. Then, draw some short lines across this area of the neck, some along the bottoms of the coils, and across the bottom of the tail. Lastly, draw some wave shapes here and there around the top part of the body for the scales. You don't need to draw them all, just a few are enough to get the idea across. And now you've got a snake.